Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today on Friday, January the 17th, 2020, we have today two Sudokus, a light Sudoku and a heavy Sudoku. But we will begin with a light Sudoku. So let's get started. Okay, let's see. In this row, three missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. I see here a 2, so no 2 there. I see here 2, so no 2 there. The 2 should be here. 1, 4 are left. I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Okay, can we do that again with this row? 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the second row. The missing numbers are 1, 8, and 7. 1, 8, and 7. I see here 1 and 7, so no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 digit left is the number 8. So here we have here 1 and 7 and 1 and 7. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and the 7 goes here. Can we do that again with this row? The missing numbers here are 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. I see here 3 and 5, so 1 digit left for the 1. Here we have 5 and 3, 5 and 3. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then can we do it again with these 3 missing numbers in this row? The missing numbers here are 3, 6, and 8. I see here 3 and 6, so no 3 and 6 in this box. 1 digit left for the 8. Here we have 6 and 3, 6 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Can we do this again with these 3 missing numbers? The missing numbers here are, in this column, 2, 4, and 9. 2, 4, and 9. I see here 2, 4. So no 2 and a 4 here. The 9 should be there. Here we have 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. I see here we have a 2. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. And the 9 goes there. Can we do this again with, in this column, 3 missing numbers? The numbers are 2, 7, and 2, 7, and 4. 2, 7, and 4. I see here 7 and 4, so no 7 and 4 here. So 1 digit left for the 2. Then we have 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Can we do this again with these 3 missing numbers in this column. The missing numbers here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 6, 8, and 9. I see here 6, so I see here an 8, so no 6 and 8 there. 1 digit left for the 9. Here we have 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then do we have a row or column with 3 missing numbers? No. Oh wait. I see here a big square with 2 missing numbers. The numbers here are 1 and 3 are missing. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. I see here a 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then we have here 3 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 6, and 8. 6 and 8 I see here, so no 6 and 8 there, so this should be a 5. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, 4, and 7. I see here 1, so no 1 there in these 2 boxes, so the 1 should be here. 7 and 4, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 6 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 4. 1 missing number in this column for the number 5. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there. The 6 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here. The 7 goes here. 1 missing number in the middle column for the number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here. No 9 here. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So we finish this in 8 minutes. Alright, people, if you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you want, or like, or download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I see you later with the last Sudoku of today, a heavy Sudoku. Bye bye. Thank you.